In front of me is nothing phone for a Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, launch your keyboard. Now tap on this microphone at the top right corner, or if you don't have it, this gear. Then select voice typing in keyboard settings and make sure this switcher is blank. Once you're ready, go back to your keyboard and tap on no visible microphone. Hit while using the app and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. But now my favorite feature. Click on your microphone and select tiny icon right next to it. This one. Select next, hit done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To manage some available settings, click on keyboard icon on those three lines next to keyboard icon on the left and check out all of those, like show emoji. You can close emoji keyboard thanks to this X. You can even hold your toolbar and move it around. To go back to standard keyboard, select keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!